Easy and delicious. 2 words you want to hear when it comes to weeknight cooking.
And today we've got a dish from our friend Food and Wine Culinary Director,
Justin Chapple.
The recipe is from his new book,
Just Cook It.
Yes.
How about that?
Oh my gosh, thanks so much for having me on.
Together. What do we
bite of it? And
We
it's
are making a healthier riff on oven fried chicken.
Okay.
So, but in this case, we're crusting it in some cereal. One of my favorites, cornflakes, which I love.
Old school. Look at you.
But you can use a lot of different types of cereal. So I'm gonna let Kathleen
Oh, no. Get out of her
take out
way.
her aggression
Oh God,
on the
knows
cereal.
I got a lot of that.
Okay. All right. So she's going to pound that.
Yep, so we're just crushing it, and then of course after it's nice and crushed, you want to make it look like breadcrumbs.
Okay.
And then you're just gonna coat your chicken in it. So we've pre-seasoned some chicken. I did
Okay.
it on the teas.
Just some egg wash.
A little egg, you throw it right into
Look,
the mix.
plop it right in,
and you
Kath.
remember this, you know, it's like when you're a
Shake and
kid
bake.
and your grandma
Remember?
was doing it.
Shake and bake.
And you want to kind of press it a little bit to kind of help it adhere. And then of course you get this
God, look how beautiful.
Honey, I just
beautiful
tasted it. It's
crusted
so good.
chicken.
You're down there cooking, eating on the cookies. I'm down there having a bite of the chicken.
But you know, I forgot to mention one important thing is if you don't want to use the cereal, you can also use flour.
Okay.
So if you don't have cereal, don't worry about it. You can still do the recipe. But once you get it coated, now here is the trick, the
What
secret
is
to
it?
this recipe.
Okay, we can't
So
wait.
you're starting with your ceramic oven-proof baking dish, and
Okay.
you're gonna put your butter in it. This is a stick and a half of butter. You put it in the oven at 375 until it's melted.
So just the pan with the butter.
Yes, and you're
Okay.
preheating it, and you're getting your butter nice and
So
hot.
now it's sizzling.
Now
Pretend
it's
like
sizzling,
it's
and what this
sizzling.
does is, as it cooks at 375, it's gonna take about 45, 55 minutes. The chicken fat renders and combines with the butter, and that's what fries your chicken in the oven.
Wow.
And it's really, really
And
smart.
then do you flip it?
Yeah, so you flip it halfway through. Thank you for pointing that out.
You're welcome.
And then you get this sizzling, delicious.
look at it,
And one
look
thing
at it.
that's so great is the butter browns just a little bit.
Yeah.
So you get almost this like really nutty
you wanna try
brown butter
down
Yes,
here?
flavor.
I already did. I feel bad.
Okay.
I cheated.
Well, who cares?
So-
This is one of
you
my
want to.
favorite recipes in my new cookbook.
Okay.
But I have a couple others. So I like to serve this as a big green salad. I was talking about it with some of the Today food stylists
Oh my God.
earlier
So
about how
crunchy and delicious.
isn't it so good?
It's delicious.
And it's just a little bit sweet and a little bit buttery from the butter.
And a whole lot healthy.
It's much more healthier. It's a lot healthier than fried because you're actually not consuming all the butter and the fat.
Right.
You just kind of drain it on paper
You did
towels.
a great
and-
job.
Great book.
Delicious.
Great book. Thank you
for these
being with us,
recipes,
Steve.
check out today.com/food. And Justin's book, of course, is on today.com/shop.
Shop.